Are you looking for the best snub nose pressure washer guns in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 6 best snub nose pressure washer guns that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, brass washer guns. The Universal Pressure Washer Spray Gun is a versatile and affordable option for those looking for a quality pressure washer gun. It features an M22 14mm or M22 15mm fitting and is compatible with a variety of pressure washers, including Generac, Simpson, Briggs Stratton, Craftsman, Karcher, and Ryobi pressure washers. The gun comes with a variety of nozzle tips, a nozzle holder, and a trigger lock for safety. It also features a comfortable handled design and a 1/4 quick connect for any accessory with a 1/4 plug. At number 2, brass pressure washer gun. This pressure washer gun is a great choice for those who are looking for a durable and reliable product. It is made of high-quality materials and is designed to withstand high pressures. The gun comes with a pressure washer wand extension and a pressure washer nozzle holder. It also includes 5 pressure washer nozzles with different angles 0, 15, 25, 40, 65 degree. The gun is compatible with almost all gasoline and electric-powered pressure washers. It has a standard quick connector that allows you to connect any accessories with a 1/4 plug to the gun. This pressure washer gun is a great choice for those who are looking for a durable and reliable product. At number 3, DUSICHIN Cannon Lance Pressure Gun. This is a great high-pressure water gun for anyone who needs to do some serious cleaning. The brass fitting and pressure washer compatibility make it a great choice for anyone looking to get the most out of their purchase. The adjustable snow foam lance is also a great feature, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. The M22 metric male thread fitting is a great addition, allowing you to easily connect this gun to your pressure washer. The 1/4 outlet quick disconnect fitting is also a great feature, allowing you to quickly and easily disconnect the gun from your pressure washer. The 5-piece pressure washer nozzle tips are a great addition, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience even further. Overall, this is a great high-pressure water gun that is sure to meet all of your cleaning needs. At number 4, Sooprinse High-Pressure Washer Gun. Are you looking for a high-quality pressure washer gun that is both strong and durable? If so, then you will want to check out the pressure washer gun from. This pressure washer gun is made of engineering plastic and has an internal structure that is made of brass and stainless steel. This makes the gun body very strong and durable. Additionally, the gun is able to work normally at 3000 psi maximum. The pressure washer gun comes with 5 spray nozzles tips that create 5 different patterns. This makes the gun versatile and perfect for a variety of uses. Additionally, the gun has a 1/4-inch outlet quick disconnect fitting and an M22-14 thread inlet fitting inside diameter 14mm. One of the best features of this pressure washer gun is the locking safety handle. This prevents accidental sprays, which can be very dangerous. If you are looking for a high-quality pressure washer gun, then you will want to consider the pressure washer gun from. At number 5, Twinkle Star Washer Gun. Looking for a pressure washer gun that can do it all? Look no further than the pressure washer gun 4000 psi. This gun comes with a 16-inch pressure washer extension wand and bonus 5 nozzle tips, so you can tackle any cleaning job. The water pressure gun features M22-14 thread fitting, an extra M22-15 thread fitting, and a 1/4-inch quick connection, so it will fit any accessory with a 1/4-inch plug. The gun also has a safety locking trigger to prevent accidental jets, and a comfortable handle for a better grip. The pressure washer gun 4000 psi is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and powerful pressure washer gun. With its multiple nozzle tips and quick connect fittings, it can handle any cleaning job you throw at it. At number 6, CHAVOR Pressure Washer Gun. We are happy to offer our new and improved pressure washer gun. This gun comes with a 1/4-inch standard extension rod to increase the length of the gun body and reach those hard-to-clean areas. Additionally, the gun body has a safety trigger lock to prevent accidents. Our pressure washer gun also comes with 5 colored nozzles, each with a different spray angle: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap spray mode. This allows you to choose the right nozzle for your needs, whether you're watering flowers, washing the car, or cleaning the roof. If your hose has a M22-14mm connector with an inner diameter of 14 mm, you can connect it directly to the pressure washer gun. If your hose has a 15mm M22-15mm connector, we have provided a brass connector to connect the hose to the gun. Please note that the maximum pressure is 5000 psi and the maximum flow is 8 GPM. The maximum water temperature is 60 degrees C/140 F. This product is not suitable for water pipes or garden hoses. If you have any problems during use, please contact us and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.